I'm going to practice a little bit differently using new technologies, modifying my workflows, the way I work, the way I planify and I plan my cases. I mean, surgical guides, digital planification, aesthetic pre-visualization of the final treatment will be something that would change definitely my practice, staying in my field, but have a better overview of the whole thing. This program is a multidisciplinary program. You have restorative dentistry, you have orthodontics with aligners, Invisalign and others. That helped me to have an overview, something like more comprehensive of what is doing nowadays in our dental offices.